Attach bay leaves in your shower. Once you know why you'll want to do it again and again, I put tied bay leaves in my shower and was surprised by the results. This simple tip has done me a lot of good, and now I want to share this great tip with you. You must already know the bay leaf, right? But do you know what it does if you put it in your shower? I didn't migrate, don't wait, but I admit to being surprised. I bet you will still want to do this after you finish watching this video. And you can rest assured that this is not black magic, it is a very practical and useful trick. It will be very good for your health. Many people use bay leaves in cooking. Whether it's preparing food or making tea, but I think you are unaware of the benefits it can bring if you put these sheets in your shower, and that is why you are watching this video, right? Each plant has its own active ingredients, some of which we have known for some time. Others, science has not yet been discovered. After all, everything in nature has a purpose. So let's look at some different uses of bay leaf. Whether we just use it to season beans, we can use bay leaf to improve our mood. Using bay leaf to improve our mood and make us more excited and cheerful to do this, put 3 bay leaves in a glass of water overnight. You can also keep it in the fridge and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also use bay leaf to tone your muscles and relieve stress. For this, we will need 2 liters of water and 10 bay leaves, and boil everything for 15 minutes. Cover the pan, turn off the heat, and let it sit for another 15 minutes. Drink 100 milliliters every time you feel stressed or bathe with water. And now for our most interesting tip. While showering, leave sheets attached in your shower, and in this case, it is essential to take a hot shower. Because the hot water will fall on the leaves and release the benefits to our body like a tea bath, it helps treat muscle pain, joint pain, herpes, and skin problems. And it's also ideal when you get home. At the end of a tiring day, you want to relax your muscles and reduce muscle and joint pain. Another curiosity is that bay leaf tea helps regulate digestion and the menstrual cycle. In this case, make an infusion tea. Use 2 bay leaves for every cup of boiled water. Heat for 15 minutes, remove the leaves, and drink cold or lukewarm. So you decide. You can store bay leaf tea in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. And drink 3 cups a day. If you want to use these leaves in another way, know that it is possible to use bay leaves under the bed. Bay leaf under the bed is excellent for keeping insects away from the house. Especially for cockroaches, in addition to being very easy, it is excellent. Therefore, it does not endanger your health or that of your pets. And it also works for moths, ants, and mice. The scent of bay leaves will keep critters away from your house, and to do this, scatter a few dried bay leaves under and behind the sofa, inside cupboards, cabinets, and even drawers. It is important that bay leaves have a strong smell. Very old and very dry leaves lose their fragrance and are not suitable for the recipe. If you have green leaves, that's much better. If your leaves are dry, you can crush them. Another very interesting thing that was said: what does it mean to put a bay leaf under the bed? It also attracts prosperity and fortune. Did you already know its uses with bay leaf? Do it and tell me what you think afterwards. A big kiss and stay with God.